Storm Tracker 12 weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
Wairika just saw a bit of snow, and we'll continue to see that as we're heading throughout our morning, picking up late into our morning and carrying on throughout the day. But we had lots of pictures sent in from our viewers with the winter wonderland we experienced yesterday. Lots of furry friends. This sent in from Brad from East Medford, and lots of snowmans. We had a snowman out on our weather patio. Lots of kiddos yesterday. Thanks, Melody, for sending in this photo. And if you can believe it, Brookings also saw some snow yesterday too. As we're heading throughout the rest of the day, this band of snow is going to move and become much more widespread, but our major impacts we are dealing with this morning are going to be east of the Cascades and into Northern California. But heading over into Medford this morning, road conditions are improving. We just got to note that our major roads are looking much better. It is those residential roads that need some work. Heading over east of the Cascades, Klamath Falls along 140 this morning and 97. Plan for some extra time. Roads are very slick and visibility poor in some areas with the snow, and then down into Northern California. Just saw Mount Shasta a minute ago, not looking too wintry right now. As we're heading through the rest of the day, more cold air moving in is going to bring snow back to the region, so we could see some snow today. But like I said, checking in with those valley roads, main roads aren't looking too bad this morning. I would suggest you do take your time driving out. Roads are still slick even if they are clear, and like I mentioned, residential roads are going to need a bit more time to work through today. But current temperatures at 33 into Klamath Falls, Montague, and into Medford, 32 into Grants Pass, and 36 along the coast this morning. It is rather cold for us across the whole region, and those high temperatures today aren't going to be getting much warmer. A high of 36 into Medford, Grants Pass, east of the Cascades, 38 for Klamath Falls, 39 for Lakeview. Could see some warm air move in over into Lake County as well, so we could mix in some rain and snow with that. And then down into Northern California, expect those higher temperatures into Mount Shasta to come in this morning, but we will see those temperatures drop off as we're heading throughout the day. Now, checking out in Stormcast and when we're going to see that band of precipitation spread out, well, it's going to happen as we're heading throughout the morning. So I do expect snow to return back into Jackson County by late this morning, and it'll continue into the afternoon. Take a look how widespread that it becomes. We can expect some heavy snow, especially as we're heading into Siskiyou County today. Moving over east of the Cascades into Lakeview, we could see a bit of a wintry mix, but do expect very hazardous wintry conditions through most of the Cascades and in the east side. And late into the night, we'll see that band shift off, but do still expect shower activity to continue. But we'll be seeing mostly cloudy sky conditions overnight with some snow showers into our Wednesday. It'll still be a very wintry Wednesday ahead for us. We're expecting those snow levels to still continue to be around 1,000 feet. But how much snow are we expecting throughout the day today? Again, higher amounts are going to be into those higher elevations. East of the Cascades, still expecting a decent amount, about 3 to 6 inches as we head into Lakeview. Northern California expecting quite a bit of snow throughout the day as well. And taking a closer look into our west side valleys, we're expecting possibly about 2 to 4 inches into Medford throughout the day. As we're heading into Josephine County, it does take a steep drop off in the amounts, so put trace amounts as we're heading into Josephine County. But throughout the day, do still expect travel impacts, especially as we're heading late into this morning through the afternoon and our nighttime commute and through the next few days. If you're heading through the passes, I would recommend you try to avoid them if you can, or carry those chains along with you. We're not out of this winter weather just yet. But let's take a look at your 7-day forecast. Along the coast today, we could possibly see a thunderstorm work its way in. Showers are likely to continue as we're heading into our Wednesday. Northern California, snow is likely throughout the day, heavy at times. Tomorrow morning, waking up with some very cold temperatures. Over into the Klamath Basin, again, snow is likely today, moving very far over into Lake County. We can possibly expect to see some of warm air moving in, so expect more of a mixed precipitation. Into the mountains, snow is likely again throughout our day. Wind does pick up tomorrow, and expect a very cold morning waking up. And finally, back over into the Rogue Valley, snow is likely again for our day today, and we can expect rain and snow showers into our Wednesday and a wintry end of the week, finally getting back with that dry weather for the weekend. And right now, you're taking a live look out at Grants Pass. This is News Watch 12 this morning.